What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video today. In today's episode, I'm going to be going over the new sample pack I'm dropping in this video. The link will be in the description, and I'm going to have it, I have it in a Google Docs, so you're just going to be able to download it straight from a Google Doc or Google Drive. I think there's probably about 10 melodies or something, absolutely free to you guys, royalty free. I'm going to be making a beat today off of one of the melodies just to show you what we can do with it. I got a couple melodies from my boy Steez. I'll put his Instagram up right here so you can go follow him. He is a dope producer and he has like that same kind of bounce that I do, which is really cool and it's really fun to work with him. So let's hop straight into this video. Alright, so let's hop straight into this. I'm gonna kind of preview all the samples for you first, just so you can get a taste. Just gonna preview some of them. Got like a Don Tolliver melody right here, very fire. Drake melody. All these melodies are key labeled and they have the BPMs. Also wave files, so you get that better quality. High Rex type melody right here. There's one from my boy Steez. I think I might go with this one. Copy that 808 pattern to the kick pattern. Get rid of some of these. We'll need every kick to hit on every 808. This allows it to get a little more bounce. Add a little looperator to this hi-hat pattern, get that little bounce that we like to do. This is fire though. Oh shit. Yeah. All right. That's so nice. Look how simple that was too. Now we just do a quick little arrangement and we play it back for you, and then you go download my loop kit, and then you're all good. Wait. We might just change the whole pitch of this beat. That's what I usually would do. I forgot to do it. Let's see. Let's go. That's fire. That's a wrap. This video is officially over. I hope you enjoyed that cook up with the new sample pack. Link will be in the description. That'll be the first thing you see is the link to this sample pack. Please go download it. I worked pretty hard on this for you guys. 100% free, 100% royalty free. They're all yours. So go make some bangers. Like, subscribe, comment, and the first person to comment, I will send an extra sample to you guys. So just stay tuned for that. Go check me out on Instagram. Go check my boy Steez out on Instagram. I know he has some dope melodies in this kit too. Thanks for watching. Thanks for 100 subscribers.